Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we will be creating cardboard sculptures and demonstrating various attachment techniques. The required materials include any type of cardboard that you have, paper towel rolls, toilet tissue rolls, hot glue, duct tape, scissors, a utility knife to use with supervision, a hole punch, pipe cleaners, skewers, brass fasteners, oil pastels, a pencil, and a roller. Gather your cardboard and let's begin learning our attachment techniques. For the flange technique, make small cuts at the bottom of a cardboard roll, fan out all of the tabs that you just made, and glue them to a flat piece of cardboard. For the gusset technique, carefully score a piece of cardboard and fold it in half. Then cut small right triangles and glue them in the center so that they support and hold up a side of the scored cardboard. Next, we are going to practice two different options for the L-brace technique. The first option involves cutting two pieces of cardboard and placing one piece flat on your work surface. Hold the other piece on its edge against the side of the flat piece and use half of a piece of duct tape on the inside of one piece and half of it on the other. Press the tape down where the two pieces meet to tape them together at a right angle. The second option is the same as the first, except instead of using tape, we are going to cut small rectangular pieces of cardboard and carefully score them down the center. Glue one half of the scored cardboard to the inside of one piece and the other half to the other. Fold at the center to create a right angle. For the slot technique, make a long thin cut into two pieces of cardboard and slot the two pieces together using those cuts to create an X shape. To create tabs, make small cuts across a piece of cardboard and fold the sections that you just made in alternating directions. To insert a tab into a slot, take the piece that you want to insert and trace a length of it onto another piece of cardboard. Carefully cut along the line that you just traced to make a slot for the piece to be inserted into. To attach your cardboard with a brass fastener, punch a hole in two separate pieces of cardboard with a hole puncher. Place a brass fastener into one hole and then into a second, and secure the brass fastener to connect the pieces. To practice the hinge technique, take two pieces of cardboard and punch holes into them, making sure that the holes line up on each piece. Then take a pipe cleaner and insert it through two of the holes to connect the two pieces together. Repeat for however many holes that you made and twist the ends together to secure the pipe cleaners. To attach the cardboard to a skewer, cut the cardboard so that the middle air pockets are visible along the edge. Then insert a skewer through one of those pockets. And finally, for the cone technique, cut a piece of cardboard into a circle, then cut a large triangle out of that circle and fold the cardboard so that the new sides meet. Secure the sides with glue and mold the cardboard into a more cone-like shape with your hands if necessary. Now that you've mastered your attachment techniques, it's time to design your sculpture. You can begin by creating sketches of your design first, or you can just start cutting out shapes. Consider adding color to your sculpture. You can use oil pastels to draw lines and fill in blocks of color before, after, or during construction. Once you have a handful of shapes cut out, assemble your pieces into your planned final shape, or you can build by responding to the shape as it forms. Either way is acceptable, and a few examples of shapes you can make include insects, trees, animals, buildings, and people. I am creating a Valentine's themed castle using the attachment techniques L-brace, flange, slot, tabs, cone, and skewer. Keep creating until you are happy with your final design. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.